Hi Pascal, nice to see you again. And hi to the new face at the table, Karol.
Hi to you both.
Very good to be here, and it's great to have you, Karol, with us today. Karol, who don't know him, is our head of treasury and head of IR. And he and our teams just made history in the second quarter by issuing the first Tier 2 out of Poland into international markets. And that's definitely a story to share today.
Yeah, good to have you both here. So, Karol, what was so special about this transaction?
So in June, we executed the first ever broadly distributed Euro Tier 2 transaction out of Poland. It is also the largest Euro Tier 2 from the CE region in the last 5 years. We had an order book of 3.6 billion euros for a 400 million transaction, implying an impressive 9 times oversubscription. We had the participation of more than 200 investors in the transaction, and it is great to see that the investor work that we're doing is being appreciated. So all in all, a great success for us at mBank.
Sounds very good. And Pascal, what about the highlights of the second quarter from your point of view?
Before I go into the highlights, a huge thanks to you, Karol, and our teams. This was a tremendous effort and a great success, so thank you very much. And also thanks to all the investors who have participated and put the trust in us. This is super appreciated. Now coming to the quarter, the 3 main observations in the quarter. First of all, we see our business is expanding. We are growing our loan book 10% year on year, and this is resulting into additional market shares. And that's exactly how we want to have it, and therefore really great news. Second, with all this, we maintain our best-in-class efficiency with a normalized cost-income ratio of below 30%. And last but not least, this translates into a decent profitability. We exceed 20% return on tangible equity despite additional bookings for our Swiss franc mortgage loan issue. And putting the Swiss franc mortgage loan issue into focus, we saw now the 6th consecutive quarter of lower impact than the previous quarter, so a clear sign that the risk is going down.
And what can you tell us about the second half of the year?
The second half of the year, I'm starting off with the guidance change. We improve our guidance on the total income. We expect to exceed 12 billion based on our great success and our business model, which is supposed to be continued. And then I want to focus on 3 things which we maintain. We aim for further business expansion, so we want to grow market share. Secondly, we want to strengthen our capital base further, therefore, and that means we conduct our 5th securitization in the second half. And thirdly, we expect that this is the last year of a significant P&L burden on the Swiss franc side. And to date, we have around 30,000 settlements achieved, and that's a great basis. To conclude our second half of the year, I want to invite all of you to our Capital Markets Day on the 23rd of September. And here we talk about our strategy, and we would really appreciate if you take the time and make the effort to join us there.
Great to hear, and thanks a lot, Karol and Pascal, and see you next time.
Thank you very much. Have a great summer break, and see you next time.
Thank you.